how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So if you are facing this problem while using your Instagram, then you are at the right place. Today in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix this problem. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So sometimes when you are using your Instagram and if you try to refresh your feed, then there will be the option or there will be a warning that don't refresh feed or feed won't be refreshed. So this problem may be due to various reasons. So the first reason and the most common reason is due to weak internet connection. So the first thing is you need to make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using a cellular data, then make sure your network connection is good. Once you make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi and in a good networking place, then your problem may be fixed. But if you are still unable to fix this problem, then the simple thing you can do is you can refresh your Instagram. For that, you can go back to your home page and you can open up to apps, and here you have to go for Instagram and you can press and hold on Instagram app and simply go for app info. And in this section you have to go for storage and cache and you have to clear the cache, and by doing that Instagram will be refreshed and you can go back and say you'll be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix the problem, then you can uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it. By doing that also you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.